bird that really signifies the beginning of spring for me is the chaffinch. So I'm walking along this avenue of trees near RSPB Coromoni, and they are just singing their hearts out, and it is so joyful. It's such a lovely, lovely sound, and it's a really distinctive call. I always think the chaffinch, I'm going to stop here because there's one above me. They're everywhere, but you might be able to hear. It's got quite a distinctive, to me it has 3 sections to it. It was one of the first bird calls I ever learnt because it's so easy to pick up. I definitely came to the right place looking for chaffinches this morning because they're all over the place. And it's just so unique to chaffinches, it's lovely. I hope you can get out and about, and even if you don't, it doesn't matter if you don't know what the bird songs are, if you know which bird is singing which song, just open your ears and listen, and just, yeah, fills your heart with joy. It fills my heart with joy anyway. I hope it does yours too. But it's been a pleasure to share my chaffinch joyful song with you, and yeah, catch you later. Bye.